haven't got him yet. I do want to see this poster. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the other side.
Ooh, both sides are pretty far.
Dang, I'm gonna have to probably do this side though. Oh, both sides are. Little packs. Keep that little. You get flare. You get 2 flare and 2 bolt. Okay. Let's see who pulls the better one.
All right. Sure you want to give me these two though?
You ain't keeping them.
Nah, I'm talking about opening them.
Yeah. I believe these ones. I'm gonna pull whoever is on this card.
Oh, this one
Don't even. Alright. Let's start. I've been saving these packs for a while, so let me open these bitches. We're looking for any arts, I don't care. Just one.
And then it's top on the bottom, right? On these ones.
Should be. I'm about to find out. Yep. I got a basic. Is that old?
2025.
No. Alright. So I got a rock energy. I got a girder.
Long fossil?
What the hell? Okay. And ask you. I just got done watching Black and White, so.
Boldor, we got this dude, I think.
Okay.
Oh, Oshawott.
Okay, that's a good level. You can have that one.
Who is it?
You got a support.
Oh, it's the evolution for Purloin.
Oh, a Crocodile evolution. So, cool. Bang. Oh, definitely. I think I need that.
That's an AI. That's AI art if I have ever seen it.
Oh yeah, I don't know why they do an AI art. I don't like it.
Oh,
Hollow.
this is a little triple.
Hollow Landorus. I don't think I got any of the Landorus or Storm.
This is a little triple.
Really?
Triple hollow.
Okay, triple hollow, guys. Hold on. Look. Oh, this is a Vanillish evolution. I think I need that. So dub. Oh, full art. It's a support full art. Ooh, look at that.
That's fire.
Hilda, sleeve that.
This is
What?
I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't want to.
Oh, Zora. Yeah, I don't have that looking. That
Sea
one.
Waddle.
That's fire.
Oh, you don't like this one.
Oh, Duat evolution. Need that.
Pharaoh Seed. Oh, okay, I'm gonna mispronounce this for sure. Druddigan.
Druddigan? You have a Druddigan? Oh, a Druddigan with a dragon type. I don't got many of those. Need that.
Sharon.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
Arson.
I'm opening mine right here. Here's mine right here.
Oh, it's a nice little deerling card. I like this one.
It's a strong one.
Look at this one.
Okay. What energy? We got a psychic energy.
Oh god, Pokemon.
Is it what's her face? What the hell?
I've never seen that one before.
Oh yeah. She's in the show. She's in Black and White. She's on what's it called? We'll sleeve her. Have a Dwebble. Ooh, a Haxorus. That's good. I need that.
Ooh. Is that right?
Yeah. I need a Fracture. No, I just need a Fracture. A Dusion. Another 4.
Ooh, what is it?
Fennel.
Ooh, a trainer. That's fucking fire.
2 trainers. Sleeve that.
Fire.
At that. Full 2 little full arts. 2 little full arts. Bang. What's next? What booster bundle?
What next, my queen?
What booster bundle, chat? I've done Mega Evolutions. I think we should crack one of them. I think we should crack more Evolutions. More Megas.
More Megas?
I think I should crack more
I
Megas.
feel like if you do the Megas, you do those. If you do those 2 Megas,
I have to do the box.
you should do the box after.
Alright, let's get Megas out the way, y'all. New Mega just dropped this year, not too long ago. So, bam.
Move up.
The Bro got the Gardevoir one, and I got the Lucario one. He pulled this nice ass card. I'll show y'all. Full fucking art. Spiritomb. Shit's fire. Alright, first time actually opening a booster bundle. Never even had one of these either, so. Dub. Okay. Dub. Let's open these mugs up. I'm definitely
That's a nice little
keep the
box.
Yeah.
Keep the box. First one. Put a little stack of cards in there.
Oh yeah. Nice little box.
What's this one? Super.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get 6 of these mugs. 6 of the mugs. Oh, y'all can't see them. 6 of the mugs. Alright. I'm gonna mix them up. You gonna get 3, you gonna see. Alright. Pick your 3. I'll pick my 3.
3 on the 3 on the left.
I got Lucario, Kangaskhan, and Lucario.
Gardevoir, Kangaskhan, Lucario.
Okay. I'm gonna start with a Lucario one.
Gardevoir, of course. One on top of the bottom. We're just tossing it on the ground now.
Yeah. Water.
Basic.
Metal. Alright. Let's run it. And I got a
Bunary. Okay.
Nah, that's crazy. The same ones.
Wild.
Same one. Dumb eyes. Nick.
Nah.
There's no way. Copy and pasted packs right here. Guarantee it.
Nah.
Alright, yeah. That's copy and pasted. Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh. We getting this Celebi. Okay, that's different.
Okay.
Now we're different. I don't have a Celebi yet.
Tinkaton?
No, that was crazy.
Totally different.
That was crazy though. You can't lie. That was crazy. All right, Mystery Garden. Okay. Oh, I've hold on. Okay, I got Chinyu. We've never seen that. That's pretty cool.
Hollow Mega Signal.
Okay, that's nice. And then a nice shiny Ting. Oh, I seen the last one. It's just a normal.
Ooh.
Another Y Pokemon, legendary Y.
Okay, so a hollow. Here. And then.
Oh.
You ready for this one, brother?
Yeah, hold
Show
on.
the camera before I say it.
Alright, I'm not gonna look at the camera. I'm gonna see this. What is it, chat?
It's not the SIR, but look.
Ooh, Mega Obama Snow. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I don't even got him yet.
That is
Gotta pull
one
him.
mega down.
There we go, y'all. 2, but I don't think the first one's a hollow, so.
Alright guys, which one's the hit? This one's heavier. Okay, so I'm not good at this. The one on the right is heavier. Which one's the hit? Spoink.
Basic energy. Alright. Or basic energy, yeah, no shit. It's electric.
A Snover. Snow dude. Oh, little Delibird.
I need him. A
Little
Snover?
Delibird. Oh yeah, Snover.
That's for Obama Snow, I think.
There you go.
Thank you. Hell yeah. We got a Nicklick. A Nickit.
A Nicket.
And Nick it, guys. A snob.
What?
I don't know if you need this one. If this is the one for your fucking thing, you're gonna be happy.
Ooh.
I don't know if it is.
What?
I'm gonna sound slow for saying this. I just play the
Yeah,
Pokemon
bro.
games too. Oh, okay. Score bunny though. We're going. That's a still starters.
Ninja.
I think it's tough. A spirit tomb, not full art, but don't think I have them.
Little gong action. Fighting gong action.
Okay. Ooh, I don't think I have this dude. Shiny Magnemite. Hollow Magnemite. Hollow Magnemite.
Hollow Corphish.
Oh, hollow is gonna go in the middle. A hollow Fearow. Hollow Fearow, guys. Oh my gosh.
Hollow
Hollow.
Sizzleapid? The heavy pack. Out of the 3 I grabbed, does this one have a hit? I guess the first one had a hit. The Mega.
Yeah. Alright. Mega King is gone. Fire energy.
Ooh,
Get dark. Okay.
Dark.
We get a Nuzzle. Oh,
Sobble.
Electric.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Magnezone.
Nope, okay, it's different now.
I need his Magnezone though. Oh.
Central Scorch. Oh, that's
Iron Defender.
the evolution for the Hollow.
Okay. Oh, I would
I'll
think
put-
for Spoink. That's funny.
Then, buddy,
Ooh.
a legendary Pokemon.
Ooh, okay.
Kyogre.
Oh my gosh. I got it. I got the Diamond Pearl in the red and blue. Oh my gosh. Let's fucking go. I needed that Kyogre. I'm happy I got him.
I'm not. I was gonna give you my dude.
I know. I'll still take it though. At the end for sure.
I am sleeving the Lilies determination.
Okay.
Since apparently it's a $5 card.
That's crazy. Didn't bro rip it in half?
Yeah, he ripped every single one. Which one would you want out of the surgeon?
I got no idea. Probably the Pikachu.
The Pikachu is fire.
Alright.
Mix them up and all the cards. Yeah, go.
Yes.
Oh, you know.
Lose that PSA 10. Pick your 3.
Alright, I'll just.
Kangaskhan again.
I got the same
Lucario.
3.
Okay.
The same 3. Gardevoir, Kangaskhan.
I'm gonna run up Eevees or Venusaur.
Unless I'm tripping.
Basic. We get another electric. Ooh. Heliolisk off bat. Needed that for an evolution. I'll wait for you though.
Might have had it. I don't know how to say that. I don't want to embarrass
Oh, oh, guys. Another fucking Mega.
Ooh.
Another Mega. First 4 are
Here
Mega.
is this hollow Gumshoe.
Okay.
Gumshoes,
I
sorry.
think I need that too. Oh my gosh.
And then, ooh, this one's nice. I'm not sure if you have this one.
I don't think I did. Is that Saint Electric? Or did?
Lieutenant
Lieutenant.
Surge. Oh,
That's fire. Lucario pack.
strange timepiece. Shuckle. Oh, there you go, Brodie. I don't know if you have one. A Goldingo.
Oh,
Hollow Goldingo. I don't know if I have one. But they sold here. Ooh. Hollow Reboot. That's the evolution to Score Bunny.
Clauncher. A Repel. And a Luna's Doom. What'd you pull? Ooh. Wait, is that my second? Wait.
Oh, it's a dupe.
Dang, now you got one now.
Well, I guess I'll take it.
Hey. Bro got a Mega Venusaur now.
Yeah, I didn't know you had this one.
I pulled that. That was my first one out of the $6 one. Remember?
I forgot what we pulled. Whatever.
You said whatever the fuck.
Whatever you guys like to identify it as. Tinka Tough.
Dang.
A little C-Dot.
Psychic. Ooh, Magnesium. Alright, first starter. I haven't got that one yet. I don't know. I think I might have a Bayleaf.
Hollow Wally's Compassion. That's nice. Krogpunk. Hollow Krogpunk.
I got a legendary.
Ooh.
I think. Yeah. Alright, I already opened mine, but I didn't open the things yet. Cool little box. I'll be able to see how much stuff I really collected. I actually might try to do a master set of it. This is amazing for a promo card. Amazing. One of my favorite cards off that, and it's a fucking promo card. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. I'll wait to. Actually, if you want to open that and sleeve that for me, you can.
Yeah. I'll go with a straight line.
Gardevoir, Kangaskhan, Venusaur, another Kangaskhan.
Bang. Dark Energy.
Brasic.
Alright, filler cards. Who cares? Oh.
I don't know. That's about the whole fucking deck.
Oh,
Xerneas. Oh, Pokemon Center Lady. Another fucking Mega, and I threw it. And a Mega Balls. Or Mega Balls, really.
Hollow Leo.
A Bossel. Oh, a Mega Bossel EX. So. And then Kata. Oh, another Mega.
Oh, Lucario or Gardevoir? Which one?
It's funny how I got this on this pack. I'll just say that. What do you think it is?
What pack was it?
What do you think?
Kangaskhan?
It was Psychic.
It's like, oh, Gardevoir. Oh, Mega Gardevoir.
Chat.
W.
Chat. I'm gonna have to trade that to him though, because he needs it more than I do.
You need it. I have a Mega.
You have the old one. You need the old one in it. Like, he don't understand, y'all. Oh, fuck. What'd he get? What'd he get, Chad? What'd he get?
This is the hit. Signer.
What'd he get?
Full art.
Bro.
Night Stretcher.
Yes, heal that bitch right now. Oh my gosh.
Bro, I'm not. I told you the Lucario box was gonna be fire.
You know,
How many full arts have we gotten? How many megas have you gotten?
A lot.
I got one mega and one full art.
Damn, chat.
Ooh. Oh, here you go, Brodie. Hollow Ultra Ball.
Oh.
I don't know if you have this one.
I think that's some right there. What's that?
Nothing. Who cares? What is that?
Hold on. All right, we got a hollow Score Bunny, but I seen some under there.
What is that?
That's
an SR.
That's so cool though.
Isn't it? Where's the book? Let me see the book.
Let's save that Jones for last. All right, chat. Another elite box. Have not opened any of these packs at all.
Hold on.
Gotta open this so I can grab the sleeves because I ran out. Definitely go to that card shop tomorrow and check it out. Nice. Look at that, chat. Look at that.
That's fine. I like the green one.
I do too. There's a lot of gold cards in here.
4 of them.
A lot of full arts. Good chances to get some full arts. I like.
Ooh.
Full art. Well, I think they're all full arts.
Should still be first on.
fire. Oh, God. Alright. Got a caretaker. Gimlet. Lampert. Oh my gosh, yes. I don't know what the hell that is.
Oh yeah, the non-Halloween version.
Yeah, I needed it. Trainers. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, Jesus. This is a dragon? What the hell?
A baby dragon. Baby dragon.
Random as hell. Oh, a Diplin. The first pack, a Larion. Full art, baby. Let's put the freaking thing in the bag. Sure. Iron Bundle Future.
Thwacky. Oh, here you go, Brodie. I believe it's the final evolution.
Oh. That's cool. Mercadary. I think I have this
Oh
one.
my goodness.
Awaking Wake.
Oh my goodness.
What'd you pull? I got Awaking Wake. This is basically a Susanine, but ancient.
You're gonna love this. I know for a fact you're gonna love this. Not this one. This is pretty. Okay.
Oh, what'd he pull, Chad? What the hell did he pull?
What'd you pull?
Let me see. Let's show the camera first.
I want to see it myself first.
Oh shit. You need to know.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh, it's so fucking fire. Oh my god.
Chat.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think we get a better card than this. I don't think we get a better card than this.
Chat, he's saying, show the chat what you yapping about before you show it to me. Hold on, I'm not even looking yet. I'm not even look. Don't tell me that's what I think it is. Don't. Look at that. Hold on.
Brother.
Let me hold that mug. I gotta send that to. Who I bought? Oh, I bought that from the dude that gave me the sparking. Oh, you from a free glass? A hollow caretaker. Wow. What the fuck is that? That is cool though. Sleep image. Chat.
Oh.
Chat. Damn.
It don't be the grenade though.
That's cute though.
A love ball.
Oh, Adrius. I don't know if that's a 4 one, but another EX. Oh my gosh.
The regular powerful.
Last pack out of the Elite Trainer box for Twilight Masquerade. Water Energy.
Hollow Swirl.
What the fuck?
Or Swirlix.
Okay. An Aeron. A Leaf. Okay.
Walking Wake.
Oh,
Ancient card.
Was.
What?
With the hollows.
And then
These are the last one, y'all.
the Sparking. Crocalore.
Okay. A Bronzong, another Sandy Gas, so I got that in 2 different ones. Oh, a Registeel. One of the pseudo legendaries, that's cool. A Walrein. Oh, an Eevee.
Ooh.
I think I have a counter game. What the fuck is that? That's cool though. Okay.
Steel.
Electric. Jober, Slack Off. don't think I have this one yet. These are different. Ooh, and the gold dingo. A
Cool.
dusk ball.
Ancient car. Ninetales. Callbell.
Heliotile.
Oh, I got a little sneak peek. I think that might have a hit.
Iron Crown. That's pretty cool.
Scatterbug. Tatsuguri.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Bronzor. Morlul. Diglett.
Oh, Yamask. Finally.
There you go, bro.
Finally.
Hollow Trainer. Oh no, shot.
Another tarot card.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh my gosh. Chat. Tonight. All the hits for that little booster bundle.
Water. Splash.
Let's leave the promo.
Splash. Feebas. Hardude. Deduction kit. Hollow. Oh. Hit. First pack hit.
First pack hit magic?
First pack hit magic, okay. Not this, but the next one.
We'll sleeve all the hits on this one.
Oh, that's... Dude, that's clean. I like it. I do like it.
What the hell? Damn, first card.
Morlul.
I haven't got this good though. No hits right here though.
Bronzor. I'm feeling a dark. Fire. Okay.
Aw, Sweeper.
Eternatus or whatever.
Okay. Ooh, this is really cool. What the fuck?
Fire.
Dark. I think Smoochum.
Snorlax.
Oh, this is
Brodie.
what we pulled, but the full art.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty cool.
And then another Raps.
Okay. Double Pikachu.
Pika Pika. Pika Pika.
Psychic. Okay.
Apple. This dude on
Then
Mobile. Drilber.
Oh shit.
Gravity Mountain.
Jazz.
Zelda Trio.
Oh, gimme Ghoul.
Quickly. Hollow Delmise. Oh, you pull some.
It's a bird looking thing first, so get that out the way. Oh my fucking! This is better. This is on the same one as the Gengar. Boom.
Wait, which one on this?
But look at that mug though.
Wait, is this it right here?
No.
First pack opening.